value of the world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, surged above $35,000 today. It was the largest jump in over a year. Excitement among investors increased after speculation that Bitcoin funds may soon be traded on traditional stock exchanges, which would add legitimacy to the cryptocurrency. Manisa Donabalan joining us live with the latest on this one. Manisa.
Hey Matt, some in finance and tech say even if it does hit the main trading exchanges, crypto is still extremely volatile, and their advice is for investors to look elsewhere for now.
Over the last few days, Bitcoin's dollar value rose 20% and more than doubled in value this year.
Despite the fact that many investors had written Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies off as legitimate assets to be bought and sold, it's pretty clear that Bitcoin is having another moment, and that there still continue to be enough people out there who believe in Bitcoin's future.
Introduced in 2009, Bitcoin is a virtual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of a person, group, or entity. But what's causing all the buzz is BlackRock, an American investment company which has applied to include Bitcoin in one of its ETFs, also known as exchange-traded funds.
One of those funds with Bitcoin in it popped up on a list from an organization called the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, which basically it's a clearinghouse for stocks and ETFs. And so it doesn't mean that BlackRock is about to sell it, but investors took it as a sign it's moving toward legitimacy, that we're almost there.
But it wasn't long before Bitcoin fell more than 3% after BlackRock then disappeared off the same list. Tech analyst Carmi Levy speculated this could have been some kind of test where it wasn't supposed to be shared, but was leaked. Other companies like Grayscale Investments have also submitted such applications in the past. Since its creation, Bitcoin has become the best-known cryptocurrency and has inspired the launch of many others.
I think we're still trying to figure out, both as an investment community and frankly as a planet, what cryptocurrency is really good for and how we can limit or mitigate the risks of engaging in it, of investing in it. We still don't have, there's still more questions than answers, but what is pretty clear is that the door has not completely closed to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies being used in some form in future.
But while we are closer to it becoming a legitimate asset, some say there are still too many legal concerns and ties to organized crime. According to reports, terrorist organizations have turned to using cryptocurrency since anyone can set up a digital wallet address without a background check or revealing their identity. Recently, Israel reportedly seized crypto accounts it claimed were linked to Hamas, the militant group responsible for the attack in Israel earlier this month.
It's fairly easy to hide your transaction history, and of course law enforcement pulls their hair out every time there is a crime involving cryptocurrency because it adds additional layers to their investigation, additional complexity. There is also ample evidence that terrorist organizations use cryptocurrency to move funds around to fund the purchase of weapons and training and material.
The ties to organized crime and Bitcoin's recent roller coaster ride when it comes to value hint that crypto remains a volatile investment.